Yeah, I might go out in left field on this one if that's okay. I think real estate's a really interesting sector to watch. I know it's not a big one, but it's a really interesting one to watch. It's leading the S&P for really the last month. It's doubled the S&P year to date. The economy's strong reopening, lower timber prices, proving supply chain disruptions. That's kind of eliminating itself. You got sort of the interest rate stability has been a little bit more stable here lately, and all that's kind of increased its bullishness. And on top of that, supply is so tight, 1.2 million in supply is a lot less than the 1.6 million in demand. But that's not the main reason why I pay attention to it. Right? The reason I pay attention to real estate is not necessarily because it's a great investment. Might be. What I really pay attention for is because it's a canary in a coal mine, right? There is no greater measure of confidence than real estate. None. It is your biggest purchase. It's the biggest sort of shot in the arm on your feeling of around your employment situation. But here's the one that people miss. It's also one of the biggest facilitators of future growth, because when you sign your name to a mortgage, what you're also agreeing to buy is all the stuff to run your house and to fill your house. That's couches and that's lawnmowers and it's bird feeders and it's all that stuff too, right? And it employs a lot of high-paying jobs, electricians and plumbers, and don't forget the manufacturers to make those lawnmowers and bird feeders, right? And so at the end of the day, it's a big facilitator of growth. So one of the things that I love to watch is the real estate sector. I think it's not a bad sector to think about investing in here, economically sensitive. But on the other side, I think it's really interesting to think about what it means for our economy, which is the main reason why it's got my attention.